Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to build your own AI chatbot step by step using ChatGPT. No coding required. So let's get started. First, you will need to open an OpenAI account. Head to the OpenAI website and sign up if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, you'll see in the main screen ChatGPT interface where you can start building your chatbot right away. If you want a more customized experience, you can use third-party no-code platforms that integrates with ChatGPT. Tools like BotPress, Landbot, or VoiceFlow allows you to design, train, and deploy a chatbot visually without writing a single line of code. Start by defining your chatbot's purpose. Is it for customer service, learning generation, or just for fun? Write a clear prompt that tells you ChatGPT how to behave. For example, you are a friendly customer support assistant for a coffee shop. Answer questions politely and recommend popular drinks. Next, use the platform's drag and drop interface to design conversation flows. You can add buttons, quick replays, or free text inputs to make interaction smooth and user-friendly. Train your chatbot by testing different questions and refining its response. Most platforms let you preview the bot before going live. When you are happy with how it works, deploy to your website, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or wherever your audience is. And that's it. You've just built an AI-powered chatbot, no coding skills required and needed. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-code tech tips. Let me know in the comments what kind of chatbot you're building. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.